Okay, so step one, we're going to start with building the pantry. The pantry only needs a back wall. So basically, I just make 16-inch studs across in a frame. Should be pretty easy. The only complicated thing was this is concrete down here, so I had to buy a RAMSET, and I've never used one. So I will definitely show you how to use one. That'll be my first time. I just wanted something that wasn't complicated. I guess the first thing I'll do is clear everything out of the way. Okay, there we have it. We are ready to be cutting some wood. All right, so I marked where I need to take out this baseboard so that I can put a 2x4 in here. All right. Get the caulking off. I should be able to fit a 2x4 in there. Yeah, that's good. This piece I'm going to secure to the wall, and then I will secure my wall to that piece that's already secured to the wall. Ladies, and some gents, oh my gosh. My first time using a RAMSET was, wow. That's all I have to say. I gotta show this to you guys. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. All right. So I'm gonna kind of break this down for you. This RAMSET is trigger controlled. So it's like a gun. There's some that you hammer. But I suck at hammering and actually hitting the nail. So I didn't want to do that and hit my thumb or something. Anyway, this guy, yeah, you can't go wrong. Now I own a gun, but I haven't ever shot it. So I felt like I was a virgin when I did this. Oh, it was crazy, but it was a rush. So, okay. With the RAMSET, you need to buy these. Okay, these are the nails that punch into the ground, into the concrete. And this whole room is on concrete because it is a garage conversion. Now, I've watched a video and he called them charges. But honey, these are bullets. This is exactly like shooting a gun. Yeah. You need your little handy dandy earplugs and safety glasses and gloves. And then I am going to show you what I'm doing here. You want to put your earplugs in, have your safety glasses on. If I start yelling too loud, it's because I can't hear how loud I'm talking. So, the way we're going to do this is we're going to put in the nail first. The way this goes is you want to load this where you put the nail head into the hole. And it has a kind of like this orange padding that helps it kind of stay in there. So you just push that in and it stays pretty solid. Of course, it's not going to shoot right now. And actually, it won't even shoot if you lightly press it. You have to press it pretty hard for it to shoot. So you can feel it has a little bit of wiggle room where it's not shooting. And then when it's ready to shoot, you got to pull the trigger all the way in. And then when you go where you want to load is you want to pull this open all the way. Okay. And then that's where you're going to get your little 22s. Charges, I guess they call them. And we'll pull one of those guys out. And that's going to go into the hole here. You see that? Right in there. Okay. So now that's in there. I'm going to close this up all the way. Nice and tight. And then I'm going to lay it down, facing away from me. Get the gloves on. And now we are ready to shoot this puppy. So I'm going to lay this down where I want it. And then I'm going to kind of press it in. It's got a little bit of a safety so it's not going to shoot until it's actually pressed in. And then I'm going to pull the trigger pretty hard. I can feel it's got a little wiggle room. I feel that right now. And then here we go. Got to pull it really hard. Okay, there it is. If it's not totally flat and it doesn't sink into there, you can hammer it down more. And when you want to open it, you're going to go like this, like that. Shake it open, pull it, and it's going to smoke. I don't know if you can see it. It's smoking. And then the casing is right there. It's probably hot. So be careful when if you're touching the casing, don't touch it with your bare hands because this is real smoky. It smells like you just shot a gun. And that was my second time doing it. It wasn't nearly as exciting as the first time. I think I'm actually getting used to it already. But talk about power tools. Yeah, this is right up there. Enjoy.